Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear brother?
Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I'm well. And you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm also well by the grace of Almighty, all powerful, and all merciful Allah. Allah has kept me well, and I'm so happy.
Yeah, that's great. But nowadays, how is going your study?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, everything is good. And you?
Alhamdulillah, it's also same to me. Brother, actually, you'll be so happy that I will ask you some question about your daily routine. Just you can say that it's related or body like, and now you'll discuss about Facebook. So please tell me about Facebook. Is it important or not for us?
Yeah, thank you for asking that question. Uh, we know that, bro, Facebook is most popular and most useful application in all over the world. So you
Yeah.
know that there are many applications in our smartphone, but Facebook is most useful, and we use most of the time Facebook. So in 2004, Mr. Zuckerberg created this Facebook account. So in this present time, uh, then maybe more than 2 million, not million, billion, more than 2 billion users in the world right now. But there are two sides. One is good side and another one is bad side. So if you use this application good side, at that time you will get benefit. For example, you know that when we want to watch mahfil or Islamic
Yeah.
video or educational video, we can get so easily. So easily when we go to playlist, in the time you'll get many kinds of video, but TikTok or other other video or Islamic video and English video or other subjects video. So if you want to watch TikTok video or if you want to watch Islamic regimes video, you can. But it's your decision. What do you want to watch? If you want Islamic regimes video, if you want to educational video, in that time you will get benefited. But when you watch TikTok or other unnecessary video, in that time your time will be lost. That's why we should use the good side, not bad side. Just not it. If you Facebook is most important for business or marketing. You know that many people right now are marketing in Facebook account. So when we want to buy another thing or a cloth or phone, smartphone, maybe cycle, many things we can buy from marketing, Facebook marketing. That's why I would like to say that we should use the good side, not bad side, because Facebook is not Facebook is not cursed. Rather, it is the blessing for the modern age. So thank you very much.
Yeah, you have sent me good information about Facebook.